Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to run the YOLACT instance segmentation model with the Ikomia API. You can find the link to this notebook down the video description. So now let's get started. Let's make sure we are using GPU. I'll change the runtime type. And the only dependence we have to install is Ikomia with pip install Ikomia. Once the installation is done, on Collab we have to restart the kernel. So now let's dive step by step into the inference process. The first step is to initialize our workflow. Then we add the YOLACT task, and we run it on our image. The first inference will take a few minutes to install all the dependencies. And after the workflow is finished running, we are ready to display our image. And this is it. We get our image with the instance segmentation mask. If you wanted to run your model on a local image instead of using a URL, you can just adjust the parameter name to path. And also you can find the list of the model parameters on the model cards. The link will be in the video description. We set the model parameters after adding the task. And this is it. Let's display our image again. We just saw how to run inference with YOLACT, but this workflow is working with all the instance segmentation model implemented with the Ikomia API. And it's very simple to switch from one algorithm to another. You can find the list of instance segmentation algorithm on the hub. We can select instance segmentation, and it will be inferences. And now you can test any of them. Just for example, if we take the case of YOLACT segmentation, we get the algorithm name. We just have to replace it in this workflow. And it's as simple as that. Let's check the image. Et voilà. Thank you for following along. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.